until the last video in the digital marketing case study, we have seen the data set of digital marketing. Then we have taken the quick notes on it. Then we have gone through the data set, made some key terms in it. Then we have created some formulas, and then we have gone through the Google Data Studio, imported the data set of the digital marketing, made some KPI formulas here. Then we have made some scorecards, bar chart, line charts, and created donut chart and pie charts. Now in this video we will make the second page of this visualization, and we will mainly focus on the data. Here we are visualizing the trends here, but in the next page we will focus more on the data side. So to create a new page, we can go to the page option here and we can see different options: new page, duplicate page, etc. Or you can click here as an add page. So when we add page, a new page, as you can see, I have named it as a landing page, and second page we can name it as data oriented page. You can name whatever you want. So firstly, we want to see the total number of ad campaigns, total number of ad groups, total different keywords, total different prospects, leads here, and then we will see total cost and total payments. So firstly we will create the total different campaigns. So we will add a chart here, and that would be a scorecard. So we will click on here, and by default record count is coming. We want it as total different campaigns, so we will see campaign. We will drag and drop in the matrix. By default count listing has come, which is perfect. So we will write total different campaign. So this is our total different campaign, our first scorecard. So we will create total different campaign, total different ad groups, and other scorecards. So we will just copy and paste this. We will select its style as all things are middle. So matrix in middle, matrix value in middle, and comparison and all things will be in middle. So this is our total different campaign, and we will copy it as Control C and paste it for a few times. So we will paste it like here, other like this, some more in middle. So first is total different campaigns. Now we will write total different ad groups. Count listing seems perfect. We will see ad group here. So ad group, we will write total different ad groups. So this is our total different ad groups. Then we will write the third one, that is our total different search keywords. So here we will write keywords, search keyword, and rename it as total different search keyword, total different search keywords. This is our total different search keywords, and here we will have the total prospects. So prospects as total different search prospects. So no, we will write the total prospects here as it is in numerical form. So total prospects that we have is 21. Then we will see the leads. So we have to adjust one more column here. So we will make it, we will try to, and we will write one more, that is total leads here. So we will search here leads, and leads is there, and total leads as, so we will name it as total leads. And here we will see the total cost and total payment. So here we will see the cost. So this would be a total cost. So so total cost, and we will do it as an currency value of US dollars because it is in US dollar. We will copy the same and make it for the as total payments. So we will place it like here and this like here. So total payments. So we will write payments here, and some of this is correct. So we will write total. Hmm. Okay, so our different mm, visualization that a scorecard is created here. We can change the styles from here. If we want that, we will create some borders and anything, so we can create it from here only. So if we try this one doesn't seem fine. We are just mark the borders as white for now. Gray looks fine, and we can change its. Hmm, we want to make it round, so we can also create that. So 25 seems fine. 25 seems fine. We will move a little bit here and there. So these alls are here. Now in the next videos, we will create a table here in which we will see according to the weeks and campaigns what are our key matrices such as CTR, click-through rate, and ROI, ROS, leads, prospects, and etc. So till then, keep learning.